Hello, my name is Sara Wartman, Bayfield County Health Officer. I wanted to provide you with a brief update on the COVID-19 cases in Wisconsin and give you a situational update for Bayfield County. COVID-19 is now the leading cause of death in the United States. Because of the criteria for testing, with only the acutely ill being tested, the State Department of Health believes that we are only uncovering between 10 and 20% of all cases. We at Bayfield County Health Department believe this is an accurate statement. Currently, although Bayfield County still has only 3 cases with positive test results, we are monitoring 28 suspect cases. With not everyone being tested for the virus, there are likely unidentified positive cases in the community. Our figures for today. There are a total of 1.9 million cases of COVID-19 across the world and 118,000 deaths. The United States has almost 555,000 cases and nearly 22,000 deaths. In Wisconsin, almost 37,000 people have been tested and been negative for COVID-19. There are now 3,428 persons with a positive case of COVID-19 in Wisconsin. Nearly 100 people in Wisconsin have been hospitalized, or roughly 29%, and sadly, 154 people have died in Wisconsin from COVID-19. There is a lot of discussion about the term peak, and if our state has already reached our peak number of cases. For clarification, the peak is based on the number of new cases per day in our state. At the beginning of the outbreak, we were receiving between 5 and 10 newly diagnosed cases per day in Wisconsin. Over the last few days, there have been between 150 and 185 new cases per day. While this number fluctuates quite a bit based on how many tests are run each day, it is an indication of the growth of the disease in our state. Once we are over our peak, we would start to see less numbers of new cases each day. However, we expect that rural counties will not see our local peak until after the peak in urban areas. Because we started social distancing early, we may not see our maximum number of cases until after the travel restrictions are relaxed. Please remember that even after the restrictions are lifted, we must be diligent in slowing the spread of COVID-19 in our communities. We ask households to think about what you can do to reduce your family's risk moving forward. Washing hands frequently when out, having a plan in place in case someone is sick, and avoiding getting together or public outings if someone in the family is sick. We ask local businesses to evaluate their operations and to determine how they can protect their customers and employees. Reducing multi-touch surfaces, reducing face-to-face contact, disinfecting all surfaces throughout the day, and having employees stay home when they are ill are all important steps that businesses can take to slow the spread of COVID-19 in our community. And remember, with all of us doing our part, staying safer at home, we'll get through this.